Does your computer feel slow? Maybe it takes a long time to start up. Over time, computers can get slower for many reasons. One big reason is having too many programs installed. Think of it like a closet. If your closet is too full, it is hard to find anything. Your computer can feel the same way when it has too much digital stuff inside it. Some programs run in the background, even when you are not using them. This means they are using your computer's memory and processing power. When many programs are trying to use these resources at the same time, your computer has to work much harder. Digital clutter is the name for all these extra things on your PC. This includes programs you downloaded once and forgot about. It also includes software that came with your computer that you never use. Just like cleaning your room can make it feel fresh, cleaning your PC can make it feel faster and more responsive. By removing programs you do not need, you can free up space. This can make a noticeable difference in how fast your PC runs. We are going to learn how to do this cleaning. Let us get started on making your PC feel a bit zippier. To start cleaning, we need to find a special tool in Windows. This tool lets you see all the programs installed on your computer. It also lets you remove them. This tool is usually called Add or Remove Programs. Sometimes it might be called Apps and Features depending on your Windows version. Finding this tool is your very first step. Once you know where it is, you can use it anytime you want to check your installed software. One simple way is to use the Start menu. Click on the Start button and start typing Add or Remove Programs. As you type, Windows will search for it. You should see Add or Remove Programs appear in the search results. Click on it to open the tool. Another way to find this tool is through the Settings app. Click the Start button again and look for a small gear icon. Click on the Settings icon, then go to Apps, and finally Apps and Features. This will show you the list of all the programs installed on your computer. From here you can decide what stays and what goes. Now that you have the list of programs open, it might look a bit daunting. There could be dozens or even hundreds of items listed. Thankfully, Windows gives you ways to sort this list. Sorting helps you organize the information. One very useful way to sort is by install date. Look for an option that says Sort By or a similar label. Click on it, and you should see different choices. Choose Install Date. This will rearrange the list. It will show you the programs you installed most recently at the top, or if you click it again, it might show the oldest programs first. Looking at the oldest programs can be very helpful. You might find software you installed years ago. These old programs are often good candidates for removal if you no longer use them. Another excellent way to sort the list is by size. Go back to the Sort By option and choose Size. This will reorder the list to show the largest programs at the top. Removing a few very large programs that you do not need can free up a significant amount of disk space. So, you have your list of programs, and you know how to sort it. Now comes the big question. What should you actually uninstall? We are looking for two main types of culprits. The first type is called bloatware. Bloatware is software that often comes pre-installed on new computers. Manufacturers put it there. Sometimes it is trial versions of software they hope you will buy. Other times it might be utility programs from the computer maker that you do not really need. These programs often start up with your computer and can slow it down from day one. Look for things like free trial antivirus if you already have an antivirus you prefer, or check for Photo Editor Deluxe trial if you use a different photo program. If you see a program from your PC manufacturer and you have never used it, or do not know what it does, it might be bloatware. The second type of program to look for is simply unused software. These are programs that you yourself installed at some point, but now you no longer use them. Scroll through your list, especially when sorted by install date. Ask yourself, when was the last time I used this program? If you do not recognize a program name, or if you have not used a program in many months, it is a strong candidate for uninstallation. While uninstalling unused programs is great, you need to be a little careful. There are some programs you should uninstall. These are often essential for your computer to work correctly. If you remove them, your PC might have problems. For example, you will see items related to Microsoft Visual C++, or .NET framework. These are usually support files that other programs need to run. It is generally best to leave these alone unless you are an advanced user and know exactly what you're doing. You should also be cautious about uninstalling anything that sounds like a driver. Drivers are special software that let Windows talk to your computer's hardware. For example, you will have drivers for your graphics card, like NVIDIA or AMD, your sound card, and your Wi-Fi adapter. These are crucial. If you uninstall a graphics driver, your screen display might look strange or not work well. If you are not sure what something is, it is always better to be safe than sorry. A quick online search for the program name can often tell you if it is important or not. The programs we are targeting are mostly applications, games you do not play, old utilities you downloaded, trial software that expired, or productivity apps you no longer need. Focus on the names you recognize as specific applications rather than system components. Removing even a few unnecessary programs can make a difference. It can free up disk space and might even give your PC a little speed boost.